Welcome to the verb have. In this lesson, we will learn the verb have. Have is one of the most common verbs in the English language. Let's use it. Have. I have. You have. We have. They have. Have a shower. I have a shower in the morning. Have lunch. We have lunch at 1 p.m. Have, third person. Remember the change. He has, she has, it has. Have, to own something. He has a new bike. She has a cat. The past tense of have is had. I had a swimming lesson last night. We had eggs and coffee for breakfast. In this lesson, we have learnt about the verb have. I have a shower every day. We have lunch at 1 p.m. He has a new bike. She has a cat. I had a swimming lesson. We had eggs and coffee for breakfast.